Welcome back to Learning with a Difference news headlines in English for 23rd of September. And first of all, national news. Supreme Court to live stream Constitution Bench proceedings from September 27. Supreme Court gave 6-month jail term to former Fortis promoters. PM Modi to visit Japan on September 27 to attend funeral of Japan ex-PM Shinzo Abe. Kaivalya Vohra and Adit Palicha have become the youngest to feature in the Hurun India Rich List 2022. India cools off on demand for Russian crude oil. Probe agency attach 2,747 crore worth assets in ABG shipyard fraud case. Rains drenched Delhi 2 days in a row. Weather office issued orange alert on Thursday. S. Jaishankar shared concern over Indian community's security with UK minister. Biden supported India as permanent member of UN Security Council. And now some international news. India, Brazil, South Africa called for immediate suspension of hostilities in Ukraine. I am ready to apologize to the female judge, Imran Khan told the court. Russia's invasion has cost Ukraine $1 trillion, Kyiv official. Google and Meta to reduce staff as part of cost-cutting measures, a report said. Russian Airlines ordered to stop selling tickets to men aged 18 to 65 years, a report said. Days after deadly 7.6 earthquake, another one measuring 6.8 jolts, Mexico on early Thursday. New Zealand pushed for simple language in government communications. And now news related to sports. Roger Federer teams up with Rafael Nadal at Laver Cup for final match. Naomi Osaka pulled out of Pan Pacific Open with stomach pain. Supreme Court appointed ex-judge Justice L. Nageshwara Rao for amending Constitution of IOA. Shooting Junior World Championship. Indian shooters finish outside the podium. Olympian Aditi Ashok Diksha Dagger to lead India at Hero Women's Indian Open 2022. SRFI Indian Tour squash Abhay Singh, Sunaina Kuruvilla pull off upset wins. Gaurika Bishnoi won 13th leg of Hero Women's Pro Golf Tour. And now news related to business. Nifty Sensex fall for second straight day, tracking a deep global sell-off. India's September retail inflation seen at 7.4%. Deutsche Bank. India defended its decision to ban rice, wheat exports at WTO. Rupee crashed to new record low, 81 per dollar in sight. No surefire way to regulate fintech sector, RBI Executive Director. Loan disbursals by microfinance institutions rise in June quarter. Maharashtra Co-op Bank license cancelled. People can claim up to 5 lakhs. New data protection bill draft in next few days. IT Minister. Central banks unleash 350 basis points more of rate hikes in inflation fight. Ola Electric to foray into international markets starting with Nepal. Telecom Department proposes fee penalty waiver under new rules. Wipro fired 300 employees for moonlighting. And now news related to science. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope captured its first image of Neptune. NASA Artemis 1 SLS rocket passed fueling test ahead of planned September 27 launch dates. The European Space Agency ESA astronaut candidates for Artemis 2nd lunar mission announced. Space station got 3 new residents after Russian launch. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.